When we decided to participate in the TMS bladesmithing competition, we had 5 major goals in mind. Obviously, the first 3 were be safe, learn stuff, and have fun, and I'm thrilled to say those 3 goals were a success. The 4th goal was to make a blade out of a mystery recycled metal, and the 5th goal was for that blade to not only look good, but also function well. We had this idea to use recycled skill because UNT is a very green school, and it's under a lot of construction, so all the scrap metal inspired us. Additionally, we're a material science department. We ought to be able to figure out what's in a piece of steel. So we went to Fulton's Recycled Metal and bought a 20-foot steel bar in anticipation of the many mistakes to come.
Woo! There's a small fire, and it's gone. Why are you trying the torch out? Remember, safety is your #1 priority. Make sure you got safety glasses, gloves, a lab coat to protect your clothes, some steel-toed boots, and a fire extinguisher.
Safety was always our #1 priority. Depending on the task we performed, the team made sure to always have the correct personal protective equipment. This would include such things as lab coats, earplugs, gloves, safety glasses, steel-toed boots, and face shields. We also requested tons of advice from various professors, shop managers, and art students. As you can imagine, our first quote-unquote sword was mostly for practice. We decided that since it looked like a shovel, and since we kinda needed a shovel, we would make a shovel.
And a sword. Dagger. Knife.
How did that survive?
In this picture, you can see our shovel alongside our soon-to-be knife. After forging comes grinding. As we play a little montage of this knife and the stages it goes through as it gets closer and closer to its completed product, I'd also like to mention that we finished various other blades, pow pow pow, that for various reasons could not be submitted to this competition. The knife we're presenting today was originally meant to be practice, so if some of these clips show a knife that doesn't quite look like this one, that's because we didn't take very good videos of the original. Using optical microscopy, scanning electron microscopy, EDS, and hardness testing, we were able to get a good estimate of the material's composition and the optimal heat treatment. We discovered that a water quench from 1000 degrees Celsius was ideal for producing martensite in this steel. After heat treatment, we finished with some ladder grinding and a final hand polish using sandpaper. Historically speaking, this is a knife. They've been around for a long time. Many cultures have created their own knives throughout different time periods, but this particular design is, as far as I know, original. However, it was partly inspired by the Bowie knife, which was popularized by Jim Bowie in the early 1800s after he participated in the Vidalia sandbar fight. The design was inspired by my time clearing overgrown shrubs in my parents' backyard. It's made for chopping and slicing tough materials such as branches, cardboard, and plastic packaging. Besides looking really cool, the exaggerated clip point provides a surface to slide branches out of the way. Additionally, the point is perfect for opening packages. The thin tip is ideal for slitting open tape, and it easily stabs into packaging. The shape of the belly quickly widens the cut. Notice that the majority of the blade is not straight. This is to allow smooth, controlled slices through materials like cardboard or plastic. For thicker objects, such as a tree branch, the extra weight near the tip, combined with a convex edge, allows for great chopping. Finally, the highly curved belly provides a lot of control when trying to cut out specific sections, such as an offshoot of a branch. The handle provides additional utility. Despite looking rough, the curves follow the fingers of a right hand ergonomically, preventing the knife from slipping. The pommel at the end adds a nice bit of weight that helps balance the knife out. And since the entire knife is constructed out of one piece of steel, the handle is as sturdy as any handle could ever get.